Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanji. In today's video, we're going to learn some Chinese classroom phrases and sentences. If you are an ESL teacher and you're currently teaching in China, yet you want to improve your teaching quality as well as improve students' classroom performance, then please keep on watching this video. Before we start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. I post new videos every week. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's start with command phrases. If you don't have a Chinese teaching assistant in the class and your students don't really know what you're talking about, these classroom phrases and sentences might be helpful. First and foremost, let's learn how to say be quiet in Chinese. 安静,安静. If your students are being loud and playing in the class, you could use this phrase, 安静. The second phrase is if you want to tell your students to come here, 过来,过来. The third one is 停,停. If you want to tell your student to stop immediately, you can say this, 马上停,马上停. 马上 means immediately. If you want to tell your students to go back, you can say 回去,回去. Stand up, 起立,起立. Sit down, 坐下,坐下. If you want to encourage your students to raise their hands, you can say like this, 举手,举手. Please raise your hand, 请举手,请举手. If you want to say put your hands down to the students, you can say 放下手,放下手. Or just simply say 放下,放下. Listen carefully. 注意听,注意听. This sentence is a little bit longer than others. Open your book. 打开你的课本,打开你的课本. Textbook. 课本,课本. Close your book. 把你的课本合起来,把你的课本合起来. If your students keep talking to you in Chinese, and you can say this, 只能说英语,只能说英语, English only. If you find out your students are eating in your class, then you should say this to them, 不准吃东西,不准吃东西. If you want to warn your students no cheating during the exam, 不准作弊,不准作弊, no cheating. If you want to say thank you next, I'm just kidding. If you want to say next one, 下一个,下一个. Let's take a break. 大家休息一下,大家休息一下. One more time. 再来一次,再来一次. Coming up next, phrases are often used in the game time. Are you ready? 你准备好了吗?你准备好了吗? Ready means 准备,准备. Hurry up. 快一点,快一点. Who's next? 下一个是谁?下一个是谁?轮到你了,轮到你了. It's your turn now. Let's count. 大家数一数,大家数一数. If you want to cheer for your students during the game time, you can say 加油,加油. Now let's learn how to give compliments to your students. The first one, 不错哦,不错哦. That means good, not bad. The second phrase is 很棒,很棒. Good job, 做得好,做得好. Much better, 好多了,好多了. 非常好,非常好. Very good. 太棒了,太棒了. This phrase means excellent or amazing. Perfect, 完美，完美。Well done, 做得很好，做得很好。The last sentence, 你做得很棒，你做得很棒。Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. I post new videos every week. And you can also follow my Instagram. I post daily words and quizzes on my Instagram story. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!